guys, welcome back to another epic video. The last video I accidentally ended, so I'm going to like make 2 videos out of it, so you know. And yeah, they're not doing anything now. Sarah, get him! Get him, Sarah, get him! Don't take that from him, get him! Come on, Sarah, get him! Look at that. She's biting his throat, as you can see. Well, last time. She's gonna rip off his sniffer. Come on, Sarah, get him! Get him, Sarah, get him! You can do it. You can do it. Don't take this from him. Come on, Sarah. You can get him. Box the sniffer. You can see her over there in her little attack mode. Well, she was. Get it, Thunder. Oh, she don't like that. Get him, Sarah. You gonna get him, Sarah? Attack, Thunder, attack. Attack, Thunder, attack. Attack. Be easy, Thunder. This one's good. Sarah don't know what to think. Get her, Thunder. Thunder. Get her. Get her. Sarah, attack. Well, he got to flee. Get her, Sarah. Get him, Sarah. Get him. Get him. Don't take that from him. Sarah, Cooter. Cooter. Get it from him. There we go. Thunder, be easy. Now she's getting mad. Don't you? Attack him, sir. Oh, now she's getting him. Or no, she was. She's sitting over there in her attack mode. Well, that looks like it's it. So, guys, I'll see you in the next one. I'm gonna have to combine to make 2 videos. So, yeah. Hope you enjoyed, and see you in the next one. Oh yeah, make sure you stay froggy fresh or husky fresh. One of the two.